This is a review of my airsoft fort. This is number 1. Look, it goes all the way around. The roof on top, in the hole. You jump in, and then you can see out the slopes and put your gun out to there. And that, a nice roof for the rain and to protect you from the grenades. This is pretty much a blowout shelter. A little crawl space to get in. This inside is just pretty much a box. This one blew down in the rain. It's just kind of bad. Kind of bummed me out. But it was tall and everything. But it blew down. So I'm kind of rebuilding it a little. I didn't use any nails or screws on this one because I didn't know if I'd be allowed to keep it. So, yeah. One sec, I have to drop the camera to put this board up there. Sorry about that. I was shooting this with my pellet gun. I killed the cop. And those, and that, and that. And that is another, of course. It was blown down to in the storm we had yesterday. And it's like jammed in there. There we go. It could stand up like this, somewhat. But it's not, so I don't feel like putting it up. That's my t-shirt. It's up there. This seems like a good place. Down there. And you can get in there. Very good shelter, and then up there. A pool goes there. We're planning on getting a bigger one. In that sand. And that's pretty much the last one. These are just random things to hide behind. This one, this like that. That, the brick all the way around. Those were up there, just like slanted. More protection, that sign. Mom and Dad old gym logo, pick up the pace. Yeah, I'll show you up there. Pretty far down. You'd probably die if you fell. Up here you have a really good view of everything. The floor, snapping walls, and the roof. My grandpa built this. Pretty good. And then this is how it's like supported. Just random beams in the tree. A little frightening. And that would be all from me, Blake. My airsoft fort. And if anybody has any questions or comments or suggestions for an airsoft fort, I would really enjoy that because I have that wood there and then some more, like that piece, maybe that piece, that I could use. Neighbor's yard. I got some junk from the remodeled room. And I really enjoy suggestions because it helps a lot. This is my room, box to the fishing machine, hammock, raspberry patch, not very green, ivy, and that's all. Hope this answers some questions. Goodbye.